We're standing on the edge of a revolution, a moment in history where everything changes. How we work, how we live, how we compete. And most people, they have no idea what's coming. While you're watching this, new systems are learning your job. Machines are analyzing your behavior, and algorithms are quietly replacing you. It's not science fiction anymore. This is real. This is now, and it's moving faster than anyone expected. Hey, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button, because today we're diving into the tech shift no one's talking about loud enough. This is about AI, automation, algorithms, and the new economy that will replace millions of jobs. Let's break it down before it breaks you. AI is not coming. It's already here. Right now, AI writes better than some writers. AI can generate code in seconds. AI is designing logos, diagnosing illness, editing videos, analyzing contracts. And here's the terrifying part. It's improving exponentially. What took 10 years to automate now takes 10 months. Soon, it'll take 10 minutes. Here's what AI can already do. Right now, in 2025, design full websites with a single prompt. Write legal contracts better than junior lawyers. Diagnose diseases with greater accuracy than some doctors. Create music, generate art, and mimic human voices. Manage customer service, replacing entire call centers. Analyze markets, predict consumer behavior. Write advertising copy. This isn't automation like the factory era. This is white-collar destruction, and it's coming for jobs that were once considered safe. Let's be real, not every job is going away, but many will drastically change or vanish completely. Here's who's most at risk. Data entry, admin assistants, customer support, retail cashiers, paralegals, junior analysts, graphic designers, basic coders. Even teachers, writers, marketers, and engineers are on notice. Because AI doesn't get tired, doesn't call in sick, and doesn't need a lunch break. In the new economy, you don't compete with other humans. You compete with algorithms. The question isn't, can I do this job? The question is, can AI do it better, cheaper, and faster? And here's what we're seeing. Fewer full-time jobs, more project-based work, a rise in AI-enhanced solo entrepreneurs. The era of one person plus 10 tools, it's 10-person team. The winners of the future, they're not the most educated, they're the most adaptable. Let's not get paralyzed by fear. Here's what you can do right now to future-proof yourself. Learn to work with AI. Use it. Don't fear it. Prompts are the new keyboard. AI fluency is the new literacy. Level up your creativity. AI can replicate, but it can't originate. Your edge is in curiosity, innovation, and vision. Build a personal brand. In a world full of noise, trust, and personality matter more than ever. The future favors those who stand out, not blend in. Own intellectual property, your content, your system, your products. You don't just want a job, you want leverage. Be adaptable. The job you have today may not exist in 5 years. Your mindset is your greatest asset. Let's look at some real people winning in this new world. A solo creator using AI to write, edit, and animate entire YouTube channels. A small business owner automating 2% of their back-end operations. A lawyer using AI to draft contracts 90% faster. A teacher using AI to create lesson plans, quizzes, and presentations in seconds. A coder using AI to ship apps in days instead of months. They didn't wait for the wave. They learned to surf it. This is deeper than just tools. It's about control. Who controls the data? The platforms? The algorithms? Big tech isn't just building cool tools. They're reshaping society. And whoever understands this shift wins. The next economy is digital. The next power is informational. The next currency is attention and action. If you're still thinking like it's 2010, you're already behind. Here's what to do now. Learn one AI tool deeply. ChatGPT, Midjourney, 11 Labs, etc. Create something with it daily. Build the habit. Document your journey. Share, teach, build a presence. Offer value in public. The more people you help, the more opportunities appear. Shift from consumer to creator. You don't need to be an engineer. You just need to be curious enough to start. AI isn't going to steal your job, but someone using AI will. The truth is this: the world isn't ending. It's just being rewritten. And right now, you have a choice. Panic and ignore it, or adapt, learn, and build a future you control. So I'll ask you again, are you watching history change, or are you participating in it? If this video opened your eyes, smash that like button. Comment below, what job do you think AI will replace first? And subscribe for weekly content on the tech that's rewriting everything. Welcome to the future. It's not coming, it's here.